margarita pizza with cauliflower crust. And we're gonna cook it in the dryer.
Cooking for one has never been so fun. If you don't know what to make, it's never too late. The bachelor's fridge is kicking out the jams and the jellies.
Alright, quick one this week, everyone. Some of you have written in and wondered, gee, your show is great. I like it, but I don't have a microwave. For those of you who do not have a oven or a microwave, but may have a washer and dryer, you could probably do some cooking in that. Not thawed. Now I do stupid stuff on the show, right? It's fun. It's fun to do stupid stuff. But ruining your dryer is not fun. It's just stupid. So we're going to take our pizza, and we're going to wrap it in aluminum foil before we put it in the dryer. Important first step. Alright. Turn it on. I did a little bit of research, and dryers get as hot as 135 degrees. So this was going to be popcorn, but popcorn doesn't pop until at least 150 degrees, preferably higher than that. And that's actually Celsius, so, not Fahrenheit. Do the conversion on your own time, I guess. Cycles. Heavy duty, more dry, very dry. That seems like an awful long time to cook a pizza. Now let's do 20 minutes in the dryer. Clean your lint trap first. Alright. While you wait, you can write thank you letters to your postal carrier or garbage retrieval specialist. Dearest Samantha, it has been more than a fortnight since I have received a parcel from you. I send concerns from the Western Front. A thumper, 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 a thumper. Quick update, we're at the 7-minute mark, and it's starting to fail. The aluminum foil's starting to fail, so I'm going to rewrap this. I'll wrap it a little more and get it back in there. It's also pretty cold yet. It's pretty cold. It's definitely not frozen anymore. It's thawed, but I wouldn't call it edible yet. So I'm gonna put it back in for a little while longer. I bought a knockoff GoPro on Amazon for $40. Since it was so cheap, I feel quite comfortable doing this. I'm just gonna toss it in there with the pizza and see what we get. If you want one, I'll put a link in the description below. It's been pretty cool so far, but for $40, I'm definitely willing to buy another one. It occurred to me that while this is a low light camera, it is probably pitch black in there. I'm going to toss this bad boy in there too, so we can see what's going on. And here we go. Alright, let's go check it out. Whoa, wait. Okay. Alright, 7 more minutes. They say to beat your rice. I say that isn't nice. You should not lay a finger on your rice leave it alone. But they say to beat your eyes. I said it isn't nice. Oh wait, Beatrice? It's pronounced Beatrice? There's 4 minutes left, but as you can see, it's cooling, and we don't want that, so I'm gonna stop it. Pause. Power that little bastard off. Ooh, it is warm, and it is starting to make a mess, so this might be the right time to check it out. All right. Definitely gonna have to go clean the dryer after this, but doing this on my phone, so I don't know if you can see what happened here, but we got to it. We took it out at 4 minutes because it was, quote, cooling, and we don't want that. So, but with the extra 7 minutes we put in there, I started off with 20. That would have put at 27 minus the 4, 23 minutes in the 23 minutes in the dryer, and it is ice cold in parts, mildly tolerable in others. Yeah, and you know how when you get like sand and grit and whatever else in your pockets or on your clothes, and they make it through the wash cycle and wind up in the dryer? Turns out they wind up in your pizza. Oh, when you heat your pizza up in the dryer. Yeah. So, this video was inspired by a viewer, Jonathan. Thank you, Jonathan. That's your name. I'd say a successful video, but not a successful pizza. So, like, subscribe, and share. As per usual. So that I can take more of your suggestions and try them out. Yeah, I'm done. That's not good.